The lake and the mountains have become my landscape, my real world. With yet another inspiring journey, we, Days Mirror and Grace, set off from Jog Falls to our next destination, Hassan or Halebidu. After a long journey from Jog Falls, we stayed at Falguni Residency overnight, and early morning we left after having a proper heavy breakfast. We arrived at Hosaleshwara Temple, which is also known as Halebidu Temple. Its construction started at around 1121 CE and was completed in the early 12th century. Hosaleshwara Temple has been constructed under the reign of King Vishnuvardhana of the Hosala Empire, and one can easily see the richness of the tradition of this particular empire through its intricate structures, architectural reliefs, carvings, as well as sculptures. The temple has been carved out of soapstone, and there are two podiums in front of the main Surya shrines. These podiums have been polished in such a way that the light reflects and illuminates the entire temple inside. The eastern side of the temple has two other smaller temples or shrines of Nandi. They are large monolithic statues carved out of soapstone. This place will take 2 to 3 hours of your leisure time easily and make you feel as if you are back to the Vedic ages, where India is known for its rich culture and marvelous architecture. Overlooking the temple in the southern side is the Dwara Samudra lake, and there's a nice lawn where you can take some power nap in case you're tired. All the Hosala temples are carved and placed on 3 main platforms. The bottom one starts with elephant, which derives the strength of the empire. The second row is for the tiger, which derives the power, and the third for horses, which derives the prosperity. Although this is a year-round destination, the best time to visit this place is during the monsoons and obviously the winter. The monsoons more because of the lush greenery that pose a nice contrast with the intricate rock-cut structures. This temple also has a well-maintained flower garden stretching from right through the entrance. Next on the list is the serene Kedareshwara temple. This has also been constructed during the Hosala dynasty. It's a star-shaped shrine consisting of 3 shrines combined together. The deities are missing from all these 3 shrines as they have been plundered multiple times. Located at around 500 meters from Hosaleshwara temple, a road leads to a good walk through village pastures where you can also enjoy some village life. Next on our list was Basadihalli or Adi Tirthankara temple. These shrines are dedicated to 3 Tirthankaras, Parashnath, Adinath and Shantinath. There is an ancient tablet with ornate inscriptions in ancient Kannada language describing the way of life by the Tirthankaras and their respective gurus. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್. ಈಗ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಹಸಾನ್ ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಆದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಇದ್ದಲೇ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಜನ 100-200 ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೋ 100-200ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ
ಈ ಮಾಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಭಾರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ, 100-200 ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ವಹಿವಾಟಿಲ್ಲ, 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ದುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು.
ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಒನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದೆ ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಬನ್ನಿ,
ಇದೇ ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೇ ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ನೋಡಿ ಭಾಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ರು ಈಗೊಬ್ರು ಗಂಟೆಗೊಬ್ರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಂದರೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes, please come from Bangalore or any other places. Please come to the tourist places. Help. You can come visit and help out all these people, and also help the economic condition of Karnataka. Thank you, everyone.
So this was our journey within Karnataka during the lockdown period. As it truly says, Karnataka, a land of different worlds. Please keep sharing and supporting our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and please do share your experiences in our comment section and let us know how you feel when you travel across Karnataka. Thank you all, and we'll come back with next series of videos. Till then, off with the Sahan.